Hey guys, so we are at the TJ Maxx in Georgetown, Texas. Can you guys see it over there? Probably not because that tree is blocking the sun. But we are at TJ Maxx and I wanted to see what new items they had as far as Christmas and makeup. And I figured let's do a come with me video. So we're gonna go in here and see what they have. I'm actually really excited because I seen that they had some Tarte Shape Tape. So I was hoping this location had the sharp shape tape. Plus I want to get some new eyebrow brushes too, because y'all know I'm trying to figure out how to do these eyes. Okay, I'm still not good at eye look. I don't know, I don't becoming great at makeup, it's not my craft and it's not something I want to be great at. I just want to be able to do it and look good and be able to know what blends and what don't, you know, things that work with my skin tone. So that's what I focus on. But anyway, I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's go ahead and get into TJ Maxx. So just so you guys know, this is previously recorded from a few weeks ago. It's just really gloomy outside, so I didn't have a new video to put out. So I like this decor over here, the Merry Christmas. Thought that was really cute. The main thing I went towards, as you can see, is that little television. I don't know what it was about it, but I thought it was really pretty. I like TJ Maxx. I think it's very reasonably priced. The purses that Steve Madden was so cute. If I needed a little backpack for like the kids to put their cups in and, you know, some wipes and stuff like that, that would be a bag I would choose. The color is everything. It was only $29.99. I mean, that's not bad at all. It's just I really didn't need it, so I was just window shopping. The jewelry boxes, come on y'all, look at these jewelry boxes. They are absolutely beautiful. But I do have the Hayworth jewelry armoire. Even though I use a lot of it for, you know, makeup, I still have areas that it carries jewelry. So something like this isn't needed, but it's nothing wrong with looking. And that was my favorite. That was so classic. I was about to scoop it. Like, it was really, really pretty. I really like that one. Then going over here, I think to the watches or the sunglasses. I can't remember. Let's see. Okay, sunglasses. I thought the sunglasses were really pretty that they had. And that day it was really sunny outside. So I was like, ooh, sunglasses. But they're very reasonably priced, like $9.99, $14.99. Not that expensive, because I'm seeing some sunglasses now, they're going for like $60, $70, and I ain't paying that kind of money for sunglasses. I know if you get real designer ones, they get really expensive. So here's the makeup. Oh my goodness, it was not the neatest, and you had to really kind of like dig through it to find things. But when you found gems, you found them. Look, the Anastasia, the Aurora palette, I think it was $24.99. I don't like the W7 palettes. I just don't. That's another off-brand, and I was just looking for the high end. I'm looking through to see where it is, because I know if I see Anastasia, the high end has to be somewhere, and we'll find it. But there's that elf. That's a lock-on foundation glue. If you guys like it, let me know, because I was about to get it, but I didn't know. They have great fragrances. TJ Maxx is a great place to get your fragrance. That way you don't spend a lot of money like going through, you know, Sephora or getting it from Ulta, because that stuff be $98 a pop, when you can go to TJ Maxx and get the same thing for like $24.99, $39.99. Now onto the watches. I've been wanting a rose gold Michael Kors watch forever, and my mom just cannot keep a secret, and she told me she got me one for Christmas. Now let's go over to the gifts. Now this is when the high end gets in. As you can see, they have the Ellen Tilbury, they have the Kat Von D Shade and Lights, $27.99 for the Kat Von D. That's a great deal. So if you are looking for high end for less, this is better than getting a discount at Sephora. Then they have the mini Shade and Light Eyes, $9.99. That is an excellent deal. They had the little locket deal where you can get the mini concealer, and you also get the locket powder for under eye. That was a great value. More Anastasia Beverly Hills. When I tell you, I found a lot of high-end brands. Even MAC. Look at it. MAC was up in there. Like, that's bananas. And I just thought that one was cute. It's not high-end. And it was pretty cheap, but it was cute. The packaging was really, really pretty. So I just got to show you guys. That way you can at least see what it looks like. That was cute as well. The packaging, some of the packaging on it is really nice, and it matched my nails, so I was like, yes. I did end up picking up something from over here, that NYX, which I'm about to show you guys. I picked that up, and y'all seen that in the haul, so you already seen that. I thought it was a great deal. I think it was $4.99 or $5.99, something like that, $4.99, and I just thought for 3 lip teas that was worth it. More Anastasia. This is crazy. Anastasia Beverly Hills is in there so hard. OPI, these are great gift sets if you have people that really love nail polishes. Just make sure you take that sticker off so people don't know what you really paid, because it ain't none of their business. All they need to know is you spent a coin. That's all they need to know, is that you spent a coin on them. So make sure you take the stickers off. The 3-pack of the little blenders, I thought that was cute, so that's good if you know somebody that's into makeup. That Maxx Studio palette, that's really cute too. And it's mainly lippies. Yep, it's all lippies, and I thought that was cute. But I'm not very familiar with the Maxx line, so I don't really buy from there. Now this is just their next table. At-home spa kit. To me, that's something that reminds me of something my grandma would have got me for Christmas. It's so funny now that I look at these items in these stores as an adult. I'm like, oh my God, this is where my grandma used to shop. Five Below, TJ Maxx, things like that, Marshalls. This is where she used to get so many of our Christmas items. And y'all, they even have Philosophy. Oh my goodness. And I think this was like $16.99 for Philosophy. That's a great deal. So, going to the brushes, I did get a few. I think their brushes are very reasonably priced, especially getting Real Techniques for $5.99 for the limited edition brushes. I think that's a great deal. Like, you normally can't get them for that price. They're normally like, what? Y'all let me know, like $9.99, $12.99, something like that. But to get them for under $6 makes it a great deal, and they're really pretty. And you've seen them in the recent makeup haul. If you missed my makeup haul, definitely make sure to go check it out, because I show all the items that I bought from this haul. I thought this was a nice little brush, little set, and I think it was fairly cheap. Was it $12.99? No, $19.99. And you got all those brushes. And that blender is cute, but it ain't nothing I can do with it. And more brushes, because I just love, like I said, going through the brushes to see what I can get and the best deals. And that was cute for $19.99. That held a whole bunch of the beauty sponges. Now I'm over to clearance, y'all. I got this at H-E-B, and it cost me like $12.99 or something like that. And to see it in clearance for a lot less was crazy. The Real Techniques brush, that was $4.50 or $3.99 or something. It went for a clearance price. They got Shea Moisture up in there, $4.50 for the face scrub. I heard someone talk about that. Kiki talked about that, how it worked really well for her skin. So that is a great product to buy if you have acne prone skin. More of the little duos, $2. That's a great stocking stuffer, a great gift for someone. So you really have to look, especially when it comes towards the items that are for clearance. Look hard, dig deep, so you find the best deals, because if you don't, you won't find them. And as you guys see, Too Faced, $4.50. Hello, those are $21. They went for $4.50. Kat Von D, $3.50. This is kind of like Bath and Body Works, but you get a lot bigger size, and it was like $5.99. Like, they have body care galore. At reasonable prices. $4.99 for all that, for the Nourishing Bar. And I just thought that was very interesting. I don't know. I just think it's a great deal to go to TJ Maxx and at least just look around to see where you could save money at. I think I saved quite a bit when I got the items I got. I think I spent under $31, y'all. Under $31 for everything I end up getting. So if you're still looking for gifts for family, even gifts for yourself, get into a TJ Maxx, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.